بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Okay, class 3. This is your social studies class. Okay, and we have done chapter 3, climate. Okay, and we have also done the work page of this chapter. I hope you have written uh, in your neat notebook. Okay, today we will do the question and answer of this chapter. Okay, so take out page number 15 and the first question. Okay, page number 15 and also your neat notebook, neat notebook plus pencil, eraser and ruler. So draw a margin line, right, and write the topic name, climate, and questions. First question is, what is climate and how is it different from weather? I have written the answer of this question on whiteboard. So look at the whiteboard and write down the answer. And the answer first question is, climate is the usual weather a place has over several years, and weather may change from day to day. What is the answer? Climate is the usual weather a place has over several years, and weather may change from day to day. Now, question number 2. Your question 2 is, describe the kind of climate in your area. The answer is, okay, student, we are living here in Pakistan, so we will have to describe the climate of Pakistan. Okay, so the answer of question number 2 is, we have a warm climate in Pakistan, but the northern and northwestern areas have cold winters. We have a warm climate in Pakistan, but the northern and northwestern areas have cold winters. Your question 3 is, which is the coldest part of Pakistan? Which is the coldest part of Pakistan? And the answer is answer 3. The mountain areas of Gilgit-Baltistan is the coldest part of Pakistan. The mountain areas of Gilgit-Baltistan is the coldest part of Pakistan. This is the answer of question number 3. Now look at question number 4. Question 4 is, how can you find out the climate of a place? How can you find out the climate of a place? And the answer of question 4 is, this can be done by using certain instruments to measure air pressure, temperature, and rainfall, etc., and keeping the record over a long period of time. The answer is, this can be done by using certain instruments to measure air pressure, temperature, and rainfall, etc., and keeping the record over a long period of time. Okay, student, this is all about your exercise, chapter number 3. These are the answers of the question. I will repeat it for you once again. Answer question number 1 was, what is climate and how is it different from the weather? So the answer was, climate is the usual weather a place has over several years, and weather may change from day to day. Okay, and your next question was, Okay, describe the kind of climate in your area. You can write the answer from a question from the book. So the answer is we have, as we are living in Pakistan, so we have a warm climate in Pakistan, but the northern and northwestern areas have cold winters. Okay, this is the answer of question number two. Your question number three is which is the coldest part of Pakistan. Okay, so the mountain areas of Gilgit Baltistan is the coldest part of Pakistan, right? Answer question number four is how can you find out the climate of a place? So the answer is this can be done by using certain instruments to measure air pressure, temperature, and rainfall, etc., and keeping the record over a long period of time. So this is all about your questions and answers, and I hope okay, you will write it neat and clean your neat notebook, and you will also send me so I will check. Okay, and if you have any confusion, any problem, so you can also discuss and you can also ask me about that. और भी कोई लेक्चर में अबाउट द क्लाइमेट और वेदर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं। और बाकी पेरेंट्स से रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो काइंडली अपने सुपरविज़न में बच्चों के साथ ये काम करवाएं और उनसे नीट एंड क्लीन ये सब कुछ करवाएं, राइट। और वीडियोस भी अपनी मौजूदगी में उनको सुनाएं, और क्योंकि पेरेंट्स के कोऑपरेशन के बगैर जो है हमारी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस जो है वो कामयाब नहीं हो सकती। स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर चैप्टर 3। आई होप कि आप लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा इससे, राइट। सो आपने सारा होमवर्क और सारा जो नीट वर्क है बहुत अच्छे से करना है, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द टाइम।
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.